the one and only newest Philippine ambassador for FitFlop. She is a style icon. And yes, kung kanina warm up pa lang, ito na nga. We are ready for the main event. And she is always a woman in motion. Super perfect for this brand new collection. And such an amazing ambassador for FitFlop. Alright. Wow, look at you, so beautiful. Okay, everyone. Yes, Uncle Bobby, it's a group photo. Okay. Let's stay here in front. You can stay center. Everybody, can we give it up for Ms. Heart Evangelista? Please join our lovely ambassador first for our group photo. Alright, okay. One more video. Okay, smile, video, wave. Punch our executives. And now, syempre mag-adjust tayo. Okay, so, of course, ito na nga. Welcome to the Sala set. Okay, we have one mic pa pala. May extra pa pala. May extra mic pa ba? Okay, sharing is caring. So, first of all, congratulations! Another wonderful brand, well represented by you. Okay. It's okay. I think they're gonna get it. So, first up, congratulations, Heart. It's always so great seeing you. You're always such a breath of fresh air, and you're always aging backwards. Mukha ka ng 9. Diba guys, Benjamin Button mo ako. Mukha ka ng 9 years old.
Wait, before anything else, I just want to acknowledge everybody.
Yes! Say hi to
everybody who attended. And I also want to acknowledge a good friend of mine, Vanessa Matsunaga. Where are you?
Hi, Vanessa!
Hi! I am so happy. Honestly, I've been a fan of this one for such a long time. And it was just very natural for me to, you know, get into these boots. I've been wearing these boots for quite some time now, and they're fantastic.
Oh, I love that. Actually, fun fact, FitFlop has been around globally since 2007.
Yes.
And in the Philippines, 2008.
Yes. Sobrang tagal. So
I remember.
Yes.
First few core memories with
Definitely, I had the bejeweled, the red ones, and they're always just so comfy. And for me, the best, because I'm 5'2", there's a little height, so I love that.
Ah, like your booty.
Yes, exactly.
So cute. Okay, so for you, what was your first reaction when you found out that this beloved, kumbaga OG brand na to wants to get you as their Philippine brand ambassador?
You know, for me, I'm always very grateful. It's been, 27 years, and I wouldn't think that at the same age, I just turned 40, that I can still do what I love doing. And so it just gives me like a little tap on the back, na parang you just have to be consistent and do what you love, and people will support you. And like FitFlop, they've been, like, I've been such a fan since before. My sister and I, even Resty, who's head of my fans club at that time, and now she works part of my team.
Aww.
We've been fans, so it's talagang parang full circle.
Oh, that's so nice. And what about it do you love the most?
Definitely, it's all about, at the end of the day, it has to be backed with science. Why does it make it comfortable? And the technology that goes into these shoes are like insane. To make it light, to make it comfortable, to make it quality, to make it lasting. And who says that just because you choose comfort, that it doesn't look cool or it doesn't look chic or stylish? So it has both comfort and stylish for those who are always on the go.
Exactly, and they always keep on innovating, right?
Yes, always keep the styles that they have now. I also have a booth of all of my curated pieces.
Oh, it's over there.
Yes, and can I just say, I would also visit Madame Song because I'm such a fan.
Oh,
so but you can also visit my stall.
Oh, I love it. So yes, actually, just to reiterate for those who just got here, under our Song Heikyo collection, there's like 10 styles, and I believe under your curated picks, we have about 7.
Yes, and you're wearing one of them.
Syempre, Team Heart tayo.
Yes!
Ganon. No, but of course, these wonderful, elegant women have really represented and continue to represent this brand so well. And as you can see, if you try it for yourselves, the products will speak for themselves.
Super.
Yeah,
Especially if you like to walk around or aligaga kayong tao like me. Like for me, this one, I travel with these boots all the time because first, they're super light. They give me extra height. And when it's the x-ray machine, alam mo, isa ako dun sa mga ngarit na ngarit every time may x-ray machine.
Oh my God.
So, super tagal ako ng mga sushi. It's so easy.
Exactly. We love that. So it's not just comfort, but also convenience.
Exactly. Convenience, and it's just super chic and style. I love it. It's so cool.
Nasa FitFlop na ang lahat, basically. Ano pang hahanapin natin, right? You have a variety of styles and silhouettes. Ngayon nga, ang arte na.
Yes,
diba?
sobra.
May mga metallics na tayo.
Pwede siyang pang school.
Yes.
Kasi may mga loafers sila.
Loafers.
And then pag sinita kayo ng teacher niya dun sa height, pasok siya kasi their platform. So, it's not so obvious na mataas yung takong. So, okay talaga siya.
Exactly. Okay, but I have to ask you, clearly you have picked out these 7 favorites, but among the 7, which one is your favorite? Or maybe top 3?
Okay, so I love the clogs. I love the clogs because again, it's easy. It's so nice when you wear socks with it, and then a nice cute skirt. And then I also love our thongs with May was wearing my favorite.
Sino?
Madame May, may I put the spotlight on you? Where are you?
Ayan.
Ayan, ayan ang sapatos niya. That's my number. They also have a color black, which is really nice.
Yeah, black.
They're super comfy.
And brown.
And then it doesn't slip off.
It's so chic.
Exactly. Kahit tumakbo kayo, hinahabol yung mga anak nyo. My case, hinahabol ko yung mga fur babies ko na 20 hours yung labor ko sa kanila. So, hindi siya natatanggal. And then, of course, my number 1 talaga are my boots. I love my boots.
Super nice. And as seen in your photo shoot, I was like, wow, ang ganda. Actually, noong una yan, talaga gusto ko, sabi ko, kaya Aya Bobby, the boots, I want the boots, please. But
yes.
Then, when I saw the clogs, I'm such a clogs girly. Alam mo bakit? Kasi tamad na siya. Ganun lang siya. Shoot! Wala bang 1 second, shoot! Mapasok.
Namala ka na yung mga bangga sa paa. So, hindi tayo pwedeng ganun. Kailangan sweet tayo. O, hindi pwedeng ganun.
Kapag lagi kayong late, mag-clogs kayo.
Yes. Well, and also, those who like the ballerina flats, we have so many ballerina flats that are super pretty.
Yes.
So that's also one that you should get because, again, at the end of the day, we're all working and hustling. We need to be comfortable yet very elegant with what we do. So yeah,
I love that. Well said.
Thank you so much.
A++++.
Thank you so much.
My grade is what my student today.
I know.
As a student
You
of
did
life.
today.
As a high schooler in a grade 7.
Grade 7.
Okay, but actually, yes, it's really so amazing to see na ang dami ng styles ngayon. At dahil dyan, may pa-fast talk around tayo.
Okay, fast talk. Moving. By 6
Nag-prepare
a.m., medyo rolling na kami. So, hindi ko na nakikita ang sunrise.
I love that. Okay, next. Everyday pair or statement pair when it comes to shoes?
Statement pair. For me. Yes,
Period.
statement pair, yes. But that can also be your everyday shoe.
Yeah.
Because it's again how you mix and match your outfits.
That is the heart of Annalista Way after all.
Yes.
Make everyday a statement.
Exactly.
Period. Okay. Walking or running?
Walking. I like to make sure that I get 10,000 steps a day.
And actually, fun fact, alam nyo ba na mas marami kang, or mas magiging fit ka daw
Yes.
sa walking?
Kesa sa running. Kasi pag nag-running ka, natatagtag yung mukha. So, hindi pwede matagtag yung mukha. Kailangan, ganyan lang siya. Kailangan kapit. So, I just walk. I don't work out. Hindi ako makapag-workout. Walking lang talaga yung secret ko.
Love this.
And eating healthy.
Okay, perfect. And the first thing you notice when you see a pair of shoes?
If it's gonna give me comfort, because you know, with my job, I am really exposed to different kinds of hair, whether that's high end, low end, whatever. Honestly, at the end of the day, of course, the name would parang say, oh, it's expensive, but I've had shoes that are over expensive na binayaran mo para pumangit yung paa mo. Binayaran mo para masaktan ka buong araw. Parang ang dami na natin kinakarga sama na loob minsan, pati yung paa ko masakit. So for me, it's so important to have a pair of shoes that it's not about the price, but it's about the comfort and the confidence that it gives you. And before anything else, in my peripheral vision, I see Chia over there. To the bank, Chia! Hello! Chia is my ex-mother-in-law. Charot.
Ganon.
Chia and Vanessa Matsunaga, and I love them till this day. I'm so happy to see you.
Oh, so sweet. I love that. Okay, and ito na, last two questions. Neutral or bold colors?
Nahirap. I think I like bold colors. But then, in terms of being smart, I still like the neutrals because again, dun pumapasok sa you can wear it multiple times, you can mix, match. It's not so much of a standout na masabi, sinuot niya kahapon yan.
Exactly. Siyempre dapat ganun tayo, ma-maximize natin.
It's all about maximizing.
Okay. And ito na, last na talaga.
Yes.
Bago kita i-grade.
Last na ba?
Bago kita i-grade. Fast talking na. Napahaba kasi as usual, serve ako chika. Diba?
Yes, I like it. I like chika.
So fun. Okay, last question na talaga. So, comfort or style?
It can be both.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say both. Because at the end of the day, you cannot, hindi ka pwede magpanggap na maganda ka kasi sa totoo lang, kung hindi ka komportable, hindi ka gaganda. Kailangan komportable ka. Kahit maganda ka, tapos para lang yan sa ugali. No matter, beauty is dime a dozen. Pero kung masama ugali mo, kahit gaano ka kaganda, there's something about you that doesn't have that luster. And it's the same with comfort. You're comfortable, you're beautiful. So don't follow the trends. Don't follow just because it's expensive. No, whatever makes you feel good, you will automatically look good.
Ayun naman pala!
Thank you so much!
Miss FitFlop 2025!
Thank you so much! Standing 5'2", but today standing 5'5".
Miss Heart Evangelista Escudero, thank you so much. Ang saya-saya, diba?
Ang saya-saya.
Diba?
Ang saya.
Ang dami mong recitation points.
Yeah,
As the only student.
Tell me.
As the valedictorian.
Hindi nga ako nakagraduate.
No, okay, but ito na nga. Right now, as promised, you guys, we will be selecting some. So congratulations, FitFlop Philippines! Super exciting news and
Sa mga nagkakape po sa taas, hello na rin po sa inyo. Sana nag-enjoy naman po kayo dyan. Mga madam, you got front row seat today.
thank you so much sa mga nagkakape. Para
Yes.
sa inyo talaga tong show na to.
Yes. Pasensya na po, hindi na po ako sumasayaw at hindi na po ako kumakanta. Aura-aura na lang po ang bag ko today.
O may
Thank you
pa-drawing
so
ka,
much.
diba? May pa-live drawing ka. So,
Yes.
guys, let's give it up once again for Miss Heart Evangelista. So beautiful. Oh, maybe you can model the booties once more. Ta-da! Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so again, last words for everybody.
So again, thank you for showing up. I hope you have a wonderful day. And again, to my FitFlop family, it is an honor. Maraming salamat po.
I love it. Thank you so much. Once again, Miss Heart Evangelista Escudero. Yes, thank you so much for gracing us here today. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yes? Okay. Stage. And lastly, we have Patricia De Ara. I hope I'm saying your names correctly. Okay, you are Patricia? Okay. So thank you once again to everybody for joining us this day. Okay, Miss Heart is taking her photos together with her curated pics. But again, this is happening the entire day. To 50% off as well. So enjoy the sale and enjoy our booths for everybody. Okay, anyone want to announce something? So let's take a photo. Okay, where's our official photo? Okay, smile. Here na lang for now. Alright, one more. And to everybody, you can also join our social. Okay, congratulations, Heart!
sila sa kabila niyo.
Saan yung next side?
Dito, yung kay Harp.
Okay.
Yun yung
May
next.
space already. Paano na? Paano na? Ganun na natin. Parang luwag doon.